So we understand that before embarking on your postgraduate journey, you might have some questions about which course is right for you, how it will fit around your life commitments, and how our courses are actually structured. So here are a few of the most frequently asked questions. So, can I work during my MA? So the answer is yes. We welcome applicants who want to continue paid work during their studies. For this reason, we offer full-time and part-time courses. So for full-time, you would want to set aside 4 full days study. Part-time is 2. How can I fund my MA? So there are loads of options for funding. You can get funding through bursaries, studentships, loans, and you might also be able to get support from your employer. I want to do an MA, but I don't have a portfolio of relevant work. What can I do? So we consider everyone as an individual, and that's why we really want to meet you. So first off, what I would say is get in touch with one of our MA lecturers. They'll be able to give you guidance based on what your projects and proposals are. And secondly, it would be worth taking a look at our dedicated Making Change course, which can help shape what you already have into a portfolio. It's been a long time since I did my undergraduate degree. Can I still do an MA? So the answer is yes. Whether it's been 2 years or 20, you're absolutely welcome on our postgraduate courses. In the years between your undergraduate and master's degree, you will have gained valuable experience to give you new and different perspectives on your work. While saying that, if you want to come and do an MA straight after your undergraduate degree, that's totally fine too. How much contact time will I have with my lecturers? So our small MA community means you'll have loads of time to interact with other students, lecturers and technical demonstrators. Alongside that, you'll have plenty of guest lecturers coming in to do talks, crit sessions and one-to-one sessions. Can I also get involved with the student union and societies as an MA student? So the answer is yes. All of our events are open to everyone at the university, including the MA students. Does access to facilities change if you're part-time compared to full-time? So no, there's absolutely no difference whether you're full-time or part-time, you have the same access to our equipment and facilities. What happens if my degree results are delayed or not as good as I was expecting? So we'd still definitely encourage you to get in touch because we consider every single application individually and we can speak with you over your options. Who are my lecturers? So all of our lecturers are experts in their field with industry experience and connections and a wealth of knowledge. You can get to know them by getting in touch or looking on the Plymouth College of Art website. So thanks for your interest in studying at Plymouth College of Art. If you have any other questions, feel free to get in touch.